Hey guys, it's me, Mareike Sophie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share my favorite travel hacks when traveling by plane with a carry-on only. So let's jump right into the video. Alright, tip number 1 is to invest in one of these small toiletry sets that can be filled by yourself. I found mine at a local drugstore, but they also sell them on Amazon. And filling your shampoo, conditioner and lotions into travel-sized bottles does not only reduce the weight of your suitcase, but you also don't run into any issues at security, like the maximum allowed size for liquids is 100 milliliters per item, and those bottles are even less. Also, carrying them in one of those clear bags is required by most airlines. So if you just keep everything in this clear bag in the right size, you don't run into any issues. Something that also works great are sample sizes like I'm showing right here. I got mine gifted and I will bring them instead of filling a small bottle. And lastly, invest in some microfiber towels. This is a full body size towel. It's huge and it doesn't weigh a thing. It also dries super fast. So this is perfect while traveling because it doesn't take up a lot of space and doesn't weigh a lot. Tip number 2 is don't overpack and plan your outfits in advance at home. By making sure that you pack items that you like to wear and that match, you avoid bringing way too much stuff and overpacking your suitcase. I try to go for similar colors and easy to match bottoms and tops, and I leave anything at home I already don't wear at home because I won't be wearing it on vacation either. Tip number 3 are vacuum sealed bags. Man, I wish I knew about these earlier when I used to travel before the pandemic because they are a game changer. I like to vacuum seal my clothes in my suitcase for several different reasons. First of all, it takes up so much less space in the suitcase, and second of all, your clothes are protected from anything else you have in there. For example, your dirty shoes or your toiletries. So if the toiletries spill or something happens, your clothes are always protected in those vacuum sealed bags. I got mine off of Amazon. I'm pretty happy with them. I will also be using them for our move overseas because, like I said, they make everything so much more compact and easier to pack in your suitcases. Tip number 4 is to wear your heaviest items on the plane, so your long pants, a heavy sweatshirt, and obviously your heavy sneakers or shoes. These items tend to weigh quite much, and if you wear them on the plane, it actually doesn't matter how much they weigh. Plus, try and plan an airport or airplane outfit that you might also want to rewear on your vacation, or if you want to fly in sweatpants, I won't be judging you either. And my last tip is to check with your airline if you are allowed to bring a personal item. Personal items are free bags or free luggage you can bring on the plane, access to like your carry-on. For my airline, it is like a small bag with a certain width and height and length, as I'm showing right here. This bag will also be doubling as my beach bag when I'm on vacation, so make sure to pack a lot of stuff in there as well, because this one usually doesn't get weight checked, and you can keep your documents, your wallet, phone, a water bottle, etc. in here without having to extend the weight of your carry-on luggage. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my little travel tips. If you did, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!